In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix crash on startup in Fallout 4. So first, open Steam. Here, go to library, then go to the game, and then right click, and then properties, install files, and then verify integrity of game files. And then go to browse. You'll see something like Fallout 4.exe. And then right click and then properties, compatibility, put these options and then apply and then okay. And then you want to do one last thing on Steam. If you can't open Steam, then right click, properties, compatibility, then enable these options, then apply and then okay. And after that, this should fix it.